Hardik Namaskar. We are going to telecast our first edition of DAV News of session 2025-26 with full of activities, events and celebration. Hello viewers, I am Ellen Chaudhary.
I am Kamya.
For more updates and news, kindly stay tuned.
Main headlines are 78 Kundiya Yaj, Achievements of Alumni. New session starts. Mahatma Hansraj Day celebration, Mother's Day celebration, declaration of CBSE board result, junior wing activities, talent hunt, inter-house activities.
It was a gala day when the 78th birthday of our DAV President Padam Shri Poonam Suri ji was celebrated by performing 78 Kundiya Yaj in the DAV College premises. It was a joint event with both the institutions, DAV Public School Pundri and DAV College Pundri. Some famous icons of the DAV management were present to give the blessings to all. Hundreds of parents and grandparents were witnessed to give ahutis in the sacred fire. Shri S.K. Sharma ji, General Secretary, Arya Pradeshik Pratinidhi Sabha, New Delhi, Director Publication, DAV CMC, New Delhi, gave his presence as the chief guest, and Shri Ramesh Likha ji, Secretary, DAV CMC, New Delhi, Vice Chairman, DAV Public School, Pundri. On the same event, an annual prize distribution function was organized by the DAV Public School, Pundri. The achievers of the academic, sports, cultural and other co-curricular activities were awarded with shining medals and trophies. To conclude this, the principal, Mrs. Sadhna Bakshi, thanked all the guests and parents present over there.
Our alumnus Rupesh Kaushik brought laurels by selecting a research scholar in a reputed university at USA in the field of agriculture. Our school principal, Mrs. Sadhna Bakshi, heartily congratulated to Rupesh Kaushik, his parents and all the staff members. She appreciated a lot on his great achievement and blessed him for his progressive and bright future. Our another alumna, Shreya Saini, has also been selected in Indian Military Nursing Service. She was also congratulated by our principal madam and all the staff members.
The new session 2025-26 began with new hopes and aspirations by pursuing DAV Institute rituals. On this day, a yaj was performed by our principal madam, all the staff members and all the students. The academic achievers of the classes from 4th to 11th were honored by garlanding on the stage. For these beautiful memories, pictures were also clicked of the winners. And a lot of blessings were also given by all the staff members to the winners. In the same way, Mahatma Hansraj's birthday was also celebrated in the school. His teachings were discussed by staff and students in the form of speeches, songs and bhajans.
For the great sacrifice and dedication of all the mothers of the earth with great zest and zeal, many energetic and fantastic performances were done by the students. The stage was well decorated by beautiful slogans and boards. The performances were mind-boggling and heart-touching. The students were taking keen interest and enjoyed every bit of the function. They all were highly indebted to their mothers. At last, our principal madam remembered the importance of mothers in everyone's life and also stated that having a mother is really and truly a God's blessing. This function was well managed by Virjanand House.
There was a huge elation on the declaration of the CBSE board result for classes 10th and 12th. In class 12, Commerce, Arshdeep Kaur got 98.2% marks and bagged first position. Shreya got 96.2% marks and Ansh Mittal secured 96% marks. In science stream, Amrita secured 95% marks. Kritika 91.4% marks. In humanities group, Garima Bansal 92.4% marks. Nikita 91% marks and Muskan Bhukkal got 89.6% marks and got first, second and third position respectively. In accountancy subject, highest marks 100. In business study 99. In physical education 98. In English, chemistry, biology and mathematics score 97. In physics and political science 95. In Hindi and history 93 marks. In class 10th, Harshika got top position securing 96.4% marks. The principal madam congratulated on the overall result of all the students. In the month of April and May, some special activities of our junior wing were arranged. Our little nursery champs enjoyed a lot in Red Day celebration. Red food items and drinks were arranged there. The students learned the name of things in a funny and singing manner. In this series, sense organ activity, the bagless days, mango fest activity, different food activity. In sense organ activity, the students came to get knowledge about all the sense organs in interesting way. On Labor Day, tiny tots played very beautiful roles of gardener, masons, milkman, barber, fruit seller, etc. Non-teaching employees were also honored by the students, followed by memorable gifts. The students gave a message of humanity and kindness. In junior wing, Mother's Day was also held by performing many songs, dances, poems and speeches. The principal madam, Mrs. Sadhna Bakshi, in her speech delivered a heart-touching message to remember the sacrifices of all the mothers on the earth in their life.
For classes 4 to 8, talent hunt was organized in senior wing for newcomers. It was held with full fervor. Many students showcased their innate talent by singing poems, dances and speeches. It was an amazing program. The jury gave its decision and announced the winners of all items. All were looking very joyful. The principal madam congratulated all the winners and motivated them for their progressive future. On 17th May, an inter-house volleyball match was played. The boys players from classes 9 to 12 took participate in this competition. All the players played with full excitement. The coaches were also energetic to make the students' involvement in the ground. Mahatma Anand Swami House was the winner in volleyball match. In inter-house Kho-Kho competition, there were 4 rounds of the match. All the girl players were giving their best while playing. Guru Virjanand House was declared first. At last, the students learned a teamwork during games. The principal madam applauded the winners' teams. Inter-house Best Out of West competition was organized for the classes 8 to 10. All the students participated, but some had shown outstanding creative skills. Swami Dayanand Saraswati House was declared first. At last, bookmark, cap making, band making activities were also performed by students of classes 4 to 7th.
धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.